So hey guys, welcome back to the one more amazing and exciting video, and this is the part 2 of funnel strategy for interior designers. And if you yet not watched the part 1 of this video, I think you should must watch. Link is available in the description box and in the iCard you can access to that. So in this video, we are going to talk about the practical steps that you have to take to create your own funnel and generate highly qualified leads and sales and get more projects for your interior designing business. And I have one good news for you. We are the number one interior designing marketing YouTube channel right now. So keep just supporting us, keep loving us like that. I appreciate your valuable time and you give to this YouTube channel. So without wasting a single second, my name is Aryan. We help interior designing businesses to grow, get more clients, get more projects on the automation using our proven paid ads and funnels. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the funnels practical step. If you yet not watched the part one, you can watch it. And if you want to first watch this, you can watch. But in the past part one, I already explained each and everything in detail, what is funnels and all these things. So let's talk about the funnel strategy. Oh, maybe I think I revealed something. So what is the first step you have to take to build your funnel is creating an irresistible offer or lead magnet. So irresistible offer, you might understand what I'm talking about. Lead magnet is something you are offering for free to get more leads, and you need offer. These are the two most important things. You can choose any one of them from this. Offer is like 10% off, 20% off, you are offering them. Like the way you might be running any traditional advertisement, where there you are advertising an offer. Here also you have to advertise an offer, 10% off, 20% off, according to you what you think. Lead magnet is something offering for free. I can give you some of the ideas of the lead magnet. So how to add color, you can create a ebook or a video in how to create add colors to brighten your room, arrange settings. You can have a look and read it right now. This is one of the best lead magnet you can leverage. When to hire a professional and when to decorate yourself, or how to hire a best professional interior designer. You can create an ebook. Let me show you one of the best example. This is the recently ebook I created. So after, like, you can like add your own pick, right? How to hire the best interior designer, about yourself and all. And then at the end of the ebook, on the last page, what you can do, you can offer them free consultation, virtual consultation, or one-on-one offline consultation. Right now, because of this covid and all, you can offer virtual consultation over Zoom, Google Meet, Skype, or on a simple phone call you can do. So you can tell them, want 30-minute free consultation for your home decor, for your kitchen designing, for your bedroom designing, for your commercial, for your residential, in whichever industry, in whichever niche you are in interior designing. And then you can tell them no credit card required, no opt-in required, just book a call. And here you can add your calendar link, and they're going to click on the book now. After that, they're going to simply choose the time that suits them best and going to book a call with you. Simple, no hard stuff, very simple thing. So this is what you can do. This is the whole strategy behind the lead magnet. There are basically two types of lead magnet: ebook or mini video you can offer. You can go with both of them or split test between them. So this is the overview. This is the 10,000 feet overview that I gave you of the funnel strategy, sales funnel, marketing funnel you have to use. Now we are talking about how you can get more traffic, how you are going to generate with this funnel strategy for your business. And I already uploaded 3 to 4 videos on Facebook ads for interior designing business. If you yet not watched that, you can follow that whole interior marketing playlist on my YouTube channel and scale your business through that. Oh, actually, I have to figure out where it is. So now you might be thinking, what the hell is this, Arihant? So let me explain you this in detail. This is worth thousands of dollars that I'm giving away to you for free. I'm not charging a single penny to you for all these things. That's why we are on the top. So you are promoting your offer, your lead magnet, your irresistible offer, whatever you are promoting via Facebook ads. Let's say you created two different ads, you are split testing between that. You can do two, more than two, three, four, five, 10, hundreds of things you can do. So let's say you are targeting your locality. Let's say you are an interior designer from the New York, wherever you are situated in the New York, you are running ads in the radius of 5 to 10 kilometer, 20 kilometer, and wherever you provide your services. So now here you are promoting your ad on the Facebook, your offer, your lead magnet on the Facebook. People going to saw your ad. People see your ad. They're going to click on the ad and land on your landing page where you are offering them a lead magnet or something like that, where you are offering them the lead magnet or a irresistible offer. So for that, what you have to do, you have to collect their name, email addresses, and phone number. These three things you have to collect in exchange of offering them the lead magnet or irresistible offer. You can tell them, if you want to get access to this lead magnet, if you want to get access to this offer, you have to fill the form and you are ready to access the offer. So they are going to give their name, email addresses, and phone numbers, simple. And once they click, you have to just simply land them on your thank you page, where you can tell them thank you so much for being a part of this lead magnet, and thank you so much for getting this offer. Our team will going to contact you for the further inquiries. And if you want, you can tell them, if you want instant consultation worth $1,000 for free, you can call our team and do that now, or you can schedule a meeting with our team or with us to get that now. You can do two things. So on the next page, what is happening, that you are creating a curiosity inside your leads. You are creating the fear of missing out statement on in your leads. Here they already given the name, email addresses, phone number. Once they sign up, once they submit, on the next page, what you have to tell them, you can use these two sentences. First, thank you so much, your lead magnet is here. You can give them the downloadable link, and then you can tell them, if you want the instant consultation worth $1,000 for free, which is available only for 3 people this month, you can book a call now. That's it, simple. Your leads are coming to you because these are the serious leads, these are the serious buyers who want their interior designing work done. That's it. So this is the first part of the funnel that you have to use. Now let's talk about, let's say 1,000 people watch your ad, only 50 people took the action. What about those 950 people, 950 prospects that you lose, but you don't want to lose them? So let's say if you are running a video ad of 1 minute video ad where you are telling all these things, what you can tell Facebook after a week, after 10 days, 14 days, you can tell the Facebook to give me the data of all those people who watched my ad more than 50%, because those are your warm customers, those are your warm audience. They already know about you, but because of some reason they might be busy or something else, they're not able to take the action. So now what you have to do, you have to tell the Facebook to give me the data of the people who watched my ad more than 50% in last 7 days, 14 days, 20 days, whatever. And you can retarget those people to this page once again. You can retarget to these people to this page once again, and those people who didn't fill your form or didn't become your lead. You just keep doing this every single day. Every single day, traffic is coming to your landing pages. They are filling the form, becoming your lead. You are closing them. Sale, boom, boom, boom. That's it. In every next week, you are retargeting those people who didn't fill their form back to back again and again. This is how the whole system goes on the automation continuously, and you are generating hundreds of leads every single month. So this is how the all these things goes. So this is what I have to tell you, and I'm coming up with lots of other videos how interior designers can grow their business online with our proven strategies. I have lots of things to share with you. I can like speak about this topic hours and hours every day, whole week, whole year. So this is what I do. So thank you so much for watching this video till then. I appreciate your valuable time that you spend on this video. And I think that's it for today. And tomorrow I will come up with new videos also. So make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, press the bell icon so that you don't miss a single video on your business growth hacks. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Till then, bye bye. Have a good day. Take care of yourself. Till then, see you. Bye bye.